In this video, I will show you how to fix the Google account couldn't sign in error on Samsung phone. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggle on the airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Next, restart your Samsung phone. A simple restart can resolve temporary system glitches that may prevent you from signing in. If the issue continues, open settings on your Samsung phone. Now go to apps. Here, you want to tap on this filter icon. Here, select the option of Show System Apps. Toggle this option on, then tap on OK. Next, you want to scroll down. Here, find the option of Google Play Services. Here, tap on Storage, then tap on Clear Cache. Next, head back and search for Google. Select that. Here as well, you want to tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Cache. Do the same for Google Play Store as well. Next, you want to head back over to Settings. Scroll all the way down and tap on Software. If there is any software update available, update your software to the latest version. Finally, check that date and time settings are correct. With this, you will be able to fix this problem. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.